The magic recipe of photosynthesis. Imagine plants are like little factories that make their own yummy food. They use a special magic called photosynthesis. First, plants use their leaves to catch sunlight. Sunlight is like superfood for plants, full of light energy. Next, plants breathe in a gas called carbon dioxide from the air, using tiny holes in their leaves called stomata. Carbon dioxide is a key ingredient, just like flour in a cake. With sunlight and carbon dioxide, plants use a special green substance called chlorophyll to make food. Chlorophyll is what gives plants their beautiful green color, and it helps turn light energy into yummy chemical energy for food. Plants also drink up water from the ground through their roots. Water is super important for this magical recipe, so with sunlight, carbon dioxide, water, and chlorophyll, plants make their very own food through photosynthesis. As a bonus, plants give us something amazing: oxygen. We need oxygen to breathe and live. Photosynthesis is like a magical recipe that plants use to cook up their own meals, keeping our world green and fresh.